Good evening, everyone. So, on this occasion, I will tell about a novel, and the title is Legend by Mary Lou. Let me introduce myself. My name is Jumriyati. I'm from English Education Class D. So, let's start it. Okay, so about the novel Legend by Mary Lou, published by Putnam Juvenile on November 29 and 2011, and the genre is dystopian fantasy, romance, and science fiction. The page are 305. Okay, next biography Mary Lou, di mana nama asli Mary Lou itu Si Wei Lu atau birth name Si Wei Lu, dan kemudian berubah menjadi Mary Lou. Birthday at September 11, 1984. Birthplace in Wuxi, Jiangsu, China, and nationally American. And the work is, of course, writers, and in period 2011 until now. Alma mater, University of Southern California, famous artist, legend, champion, prodigy, the minister, and another art, and she has one child. But there is data from 2014. I don't know now. Mary Lou, a famous writer known for written interest novels, include Legend. At the moment, at the age of 5, she and her family had moved to United States and stayed in Texas. As a child, Mary developed a love of reading and writing, finding peace and inspiration in books. She often spent time in the library reading various genres of literary works. After finishing high school, Mary Lou attended the University of Southern California, where she studied political science. After graduation, she began her first career in the advertising industry and worked at Disney Interactive Studios. But despite this, she still continued to develop her interest in literature and began writing literary works. Thanks to her efforts in 2011, Mary Lou successfully debuted her first novel with the title is Legend. The novel was very successful in its time, with interesting characters and suspenseful storyline that briefly reached the top position in the sales list in the New York Times. After the success of Legend, Mary Lou continued the series by publishing two other novels, namely Prodigy in 2013 and The Champion in 2014. The trilogy Legend became one of the most recognized and popular works in the dystopian genre. In 2014, Mary Lou launched a new series called The Young Elites with a fantasy storyline consistent of their novels. The Young Elites 2014, The Rose Society 2015, and The Magnus Star in 2016. In addition to novels, Mary Lou also had time to write books. His first book was titled is War Cross, was published in 2017, and the second book, Wilcart, in 2018. Mary Lou's works gained recognition and awards in the literary industry and are considered one of the promising young writers in the United States. We move to other literary works by Mary Lou, di mana there are many arts by Mary Lou. Which one about Legend? Legend memiliki banyak lanjutan-lanjutan seri. Ada Legend 1, Legend 2, ada juga the graphic novel by Legend, and and so on. Dimana dilihat dari urutan waktunya dari 2019 sampai 2019 hampir tiap tahun Mary Lou membuat kelanjutan novel dari Legend, dimana pada 2011 Mary Lou sempat membuat novel Legend. Kemudian pada tahun itu juga Mary Lou membuat Legend Trilogy box set The Legend dari chapter 1 until 3, and 2012 Life Before Legend, and 2013 Prodigy, until 2014 Mary Lou merilis Champion, and 2015 dan 2019 pada tahun 2019 Mary Lou membuat judul baru About Rebel, tetapi masih lanjutan dari Legend. Okay, so about the novel Legend by Mary Lou, published by Putnam Juvenile on November 29 and 2011, and the genre is dystopian fantasy, romance, and science fiction. The pages are 305. Okay, next, biography Mary Lou, di mana nama asli Mary Lou itu Si Wei Lou atau birth name Si Wei Lou, dan kemudian berubah menjadi Mary Lou. Birthday at September 11, 1984. Birthplace in Wuxi, Jiangsu, China, and nationally American. And the work is, of course, writers, and in period 2011 until now. Alma mater, University of Southern California. Famous artists: Legend, Champion, Prodigy, The Midnight Star, and another art. And she has one child. But there is data from 2014, I don't know now. Tells about the lives of two main characters, June and Day, with different backgrounds. June, a 15 years old girl who comes from an elite family, is also a bright college student and has a promising future. Day is teenager boy who comes from the colony and is the number one criminal in the republic. The two meet when June's brother, Matthias, is a member of the military who is rumored to have died mysteriously, so June is determined and forced to avenge the culprit behind the death of his brother, Matthias. At the time, it was believed that Day was the main culprit in the case. However, during the process of searching for Day's identity, June begins to doubt that Day is the culprit. He discovers that the government has hidden important truths and abused its power, and struggles to uncover the case. June and Day were on the same side in the Republican conflict that was taking place at the time. During their journey, they encounter various obstacles, dangers, and complicated political intrigues. They will have to face difficult choices and take decisions that will change their destiny and the fate of the Republic. These two characters not only strive to survive, but also fight for freedom, truth, and justice. Full of non-stop action, suspense, and romance, this novel is sure to move readers as much as it thrills. Jadi novel ini menceritakan tentang dua karakter yang dengan latar belakang yang berbeda, di mana June merupakan seorang anak yang cerdas, juga berasal dari keluarga yang elit. Sedangkan Day merupakan seorang penjahat nomor satu di Republik. Nah, mereka bertemu ketika saudara laki-laki June alias Matthias dikabarkan tewas dengan kasus yang misterius. Nah, pada saat itu yang diduga sebagai pelaku adalah Day. sebagai penjahat nomor satu di Republik. Namun seiring berjalannya waktu, pada saat Jun berusaha untuk menggali lebih lanjut tentang identitas Dae, Jun menemukan ada sisi lain dari seorang Dae, yang secara tidak langsung Dae menunjukkan kepada Jun atas keadaan pemerintahan yang menyimpang dan selama ini dilindungi oleh koloni-koloni yang berkuasa. Next, the similarities and differences of personal life by Mary Lou with her literary works. The first is similarities, which one the imagination and creativity and focus on power and injustice, where Mary Lou showed extensive imagination and creativity, such as describing the current government case. Jadi pada persamaannya merupakan berasal dari imajinasi penulis dan kreativitasnya, di mana melihat pada keadaan pada saat itu sama dengan keadaan pemerintahan yang juga terjadi pada novel Legend. Kemudian the differences is reality versus fiction, character on the story and impact and scale, di mana pada kenyataan tentu berbeda dengan keadaan dalam versi novel dalam Legend, berbeda dari segi karakter dan juga dampak dan skalanya. We move to the next about analysis character, where there are four character. There is Jun, Dae, Thomas, and Matthias. The first is Jun Iparis, where is a girl, 15 years old, with a strong character, independent woman, and genius, and she very love her family. Jadi dia sangat mencintai keluarganya. Bisa dilihat dalam kasus pembunuhan saudara laki-lakinya, dia sangat berupaya untuk mencari siapa pelaku di balik kematiannya. And the next is Daniel Alton Wynn atau Dae, di mana dia merupakan seorang yang berani, brave, intelligent, critical, firm in his stance, and concerned about injustice and in the republic. Jadi dia sangat peduli terhadap keadilan yang pada masa itu tidak dirasakan oleh masyarakat di sana. Kemudian the next is Thomas, di mana dia merupakan seorang kolonel, a young colonel in the republic with intelligent, ambition, and powerful character, di mana dia merupakan sosok yang ambisius. Dia akan melakukan segala cara demi menstabilkan republik. Kemudian yang terakhir ada saudara laki-laki Jun Iparis, yaitu Matthias Iparis, di mana dia adalah seorang polisi yang jujur, policeman loyal to the republic. We move to the next slide about analysis story, where is the there some point about that. The first is title, of course there is about Legend, and temanya itu membahas tentang social injustice, korupsi atau corruption, governance, struggle against power and love as first options. Kemudian genrenya merupakan sebuah novel dengan young adult fiction, science fiction, dystopian fiction, war story, and queer fiction. Kemudian pleased atau dystopian, latar belakang dystopian merupakan pada saat itu the story takes place in the American Republic, a country divided into two different social classes. On the one hand, there are elites who are rich and powerful, while on the other hand, there are groups of people who are poor and oppressed. Jadi pada saat itu terbagi menjadi dua kelas sosial, di mana ada masyarakat yang elit dan juga masyarakat koloni. And the next is main character. This novel has two main characters, seperti yang sudah dijelaskan tadi bahwa ada Jun dan Dae sebagai pelaku atau pemain utama dalam seri novel Legend ini. Plot and conflict. The story focuses on the conflict between June and Day. Wherein the case of the death of her brother Matthias, June is determined to pursue and find out who is suspected of being the perpetrator. Jadi permasalahannya merupakan kasus kematian dari saudara Jun, di mana dia mencari siapa pelakunya, dan pada saat itu yang diduga pelaku adalah Day. Kemudian pada saat proses mencari bukti-bukti atas pelaku yang telah dituduhkan, Jun malah tersesat dan menemukan bukti-bukti lain tentang Republik. The last one about message of the story. Whereas the moral of the novel Legend is about the importance of questions, authority, and the excision system, where we are taught to be braver about the operation of others against us, to have the courage and to reveal the truth, to be honest, and to be strike a balance between personal interest and the interest of a greater person or more people. Jadi kita diajarkan untuk menjadi seorang pribadi yang jujur, membela kebenaran, dan juga tentunya menjadi pribadi yang berani atas penindasan yang dilakukan oleh orang-orang tertentu.